I have created this outline based on the reference drawing on the left side, and the units used are in feet and inches, and please check the description box below for the PDF file for reference. I'm just gonna bring this closer. In 3D modeling, taper angles are usually measured from the vertical extrusion axis, which is this one here. So when I entered a 60-degree angle, it creates a 30-degree angle for the roof. With the method I will use, you do not need to provide different roof heights, as AutoCAD will calculate them automatically, as long as you provide the taper angle. So bring your drawing to southeast isometric and enter EXT. For extrude command, you can go to the ribbon. You can go here and select extrude command. Okay, again, EXT. Select the object you want to extrude. Right click and select taper angle. And now I'm going to enter, see that curve there? So this is what happened if you overly raise the extrusion. So I'm just going to enter 60 degrees. And for the height, I'm just going to enter 1 foot to be safe. Alright? You'll see later why. Alright, so inside the solid editing panel, select click this drop down arrow and select move faces. And click this face, enter, and specify a base point. So select any corner, the highlighted corner, and make sure your auto mode is on, and just click randomly up there. Exit and exit again. Alright, now I'm gonna shell this roof. So go to solid and select shell. Just bring this closer and select the object, right click and select undo. So undo this face because we want this face open. Enter and enter 10 inches for thickness. There you go. Easy. And then I'm just gonna apply materials. So type in materials. And I have prepared materials for this one. And I did for the side and the front. So what I did is click this one here. So this is for the roof. So the angle would match the direction of the roof. So click this one. So I for the rotation I use 112, and for the size of the tiles is 9 by 4 feet. So I'm just gonna close this one, and the other one I created for the front a different angle. Can I show you? For the front, click this one here, this pen, and then click this image. And for that, I use a rotation of 202. It's a trial and error for the direction or the rotation of the materials. So what I'm gonna do is for the front, drag this one and press the control key. Drop that. See? And then front again. Control. Otherwise, it will cover the whole thing with that material. So this is just for the front. Control, drop it. And this one here, hold on the shift key and the wheel of your mouse. It's easier to select the view. So front, click this one. Front, control, and drop it here. Oh, undo. I let go. Don't let go though. Drag this one, control, and just hold it. Hold control. Otherwise, it will apply to everything. Okay, front, drag it, control, and just hold down the control key. All right, where else is front? Now I'm gonna do the side. Drag this one, hold down the control key, don't let go. Click that. See the rotation, the direction of the tiles. All right, And for this one, this side here, side, drag it, control, don't let go, drop it. Same process here, side, drag it, hold down control key, don't let go, and drop. Alright, so I'm just gonna close this one, close this one. I'm just gonna maximize this. So here you go. I'm just gonna change the color of the background. So OP, type in OP, colors. In the background, we're gonna use, I think black is better. Apply and close. So it's easier to see. And then go to visualize and change the exposure. There, make it brighter. There you go. And there's your roof. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like what I did, and share maybe. And see you again for the next tutorial.